Hello all. I welcome you to the presentation on industry solution. We are presenting this topic in the hackathon, which is basically an initiative by Pakistan Engineering Council with collaboration with Pakistan Angels and Code Guru. So this is our project, basically industry solution, which is Streamlit dashboard, which we develop by using OpenAI Grok and Google Colab. So this is our topic. So let me introduce you to my team. So Mr. Sajid Hussain, Dr. Sajid Hussain, he is the team lead. Beside him, I am Dr. Muhammad Samir Ahmed, and we have other members are Wahaj, Sayyid Abdul Ali Faisal, and Abdul Aziz and Fatma Azhar. So what will be the objective? So the objective is to develop a streamlit app which will uh, which will discuss about the industry solution, like what problems in certain sector we have. So the objective is to identify the solution for a certain industry. Like suppose we are targeting four industries. So the number one is technology, retail, finance, and healthcare. So these models, the Streamlit app is developed by using OpenAI Grok API. So to predict and for other insight to for generating insights and prediction. Beside is the all the testing is done in the Google Colab, and after all the testing, we deploy the app in the on the Hugging Face. Problem statement. So why we need this type of system? Actually, we in industries, like suppose in technology, we know that with the advancement in technology, so the problems can arise. So what will be the solution of these problems? So the solution can be studied through our dashboard. So we just choose the industry, and the solutions are studied on the basis of some data. Okay, so this is our problem statement, that the industries are facing predictive maintenance, sales forecasting. And if we are talking about the healthcare, so we have patient analysis, we have some problem in the administration like hospital management. And suppose in retail, we also studied about the risk factors and everything. So this is the problem statement. To tackle industry problems, we are predicting the solution on the basis of our data. So now we discuss the scope of the project. So we are using Open AI Grok, and we are integrating all the data processing through Google Colab. And after processing, we are developing a dynamic dashboard. So key features. So what are the key features? We have AI feature, we have data visualization, so we have user interface. So choose between the categories. So nowadays we have also SDGs by the United Nations. So we are tackling three SDGs. We are focusing on three SDGs, which are 8 and 9 and 12: decent work and economical growth, and industry innovation and infrastructure. And the 12th one is responsible consumption and production. Process of the project. So the first will be the data cleaning, because once we get the database, so we need to clean the data according to our need. And so all the relevant data we can remove. So after that, we will train the model, and then AI integration, and then after the deployment on the Hugging Face. So steps overview, we divide over five steps. App initialization, in which we initialize some libraries. Then sidebar, data handling, display result, and deployment. So step one, we use Streamlit and Pandas library, and after we try to do the data cleaning. Once then, the sidebar, we use st sidebar dot select box to create a drop down menu, because we are targeting four industries: finance, healthcare, and retail, and technology. Once we develop the sidebar, we are focusing on data handling. like the solutions of each category. So to get the solution, we upload the solutions in each category through some data frames. Display data, so we use st.write and st.data-frame command to show solution in an interactive tabular format. After that, we deploy all the code on the Hugging Face, and through this we develop the um, Streamlit dashboard. Advantages of our approach. So for our easiness, OpenAI Grok for Power Insight, and Google Colab for deployment, and Hugging Face through for the deployment of the project. So let me discuss with you the code. So the code is being shown from here. We will provide the code through the link to the portal, and we have title and description, then we have relevant industries we define, then the solutions are defined, and so on. So the other code, then other libraries and data sets will be shared uh, with the with the project. So data cleaning. So once we did the data cleaning, then generation inside of these four categories. After implementing, we develop the Streamlit dashboard. For our simplicity, I will discuss the results and the dashboard which we have developed. So after dashboard, the real life application, so it can be implemented in these four industries, but it is not limited to it. We can extend the sectors, but for our simplicity, for to start this project, we just focus on four industries, four sectors actually. So we can include more sectors. So if we have the data, we can include and we can expand this industry solution to more sectors. So these are the four sector which I'm talking about. And so this is the technology sector. Once the industry has been selected, the all the possible solution can be viewed through this app. So let's suppose we have so these solutions have been identified through various channels, like there are some articles, there are some data sets, and through these we identify the top three problems of this technology sector. And similarly for healthcare, we have patient analysis, drug discovery, hospital management. So these are the solutions for the healthcare. Although these are not limited, we can extend them. And but for our simplicity, we use these top three solutions. Then we have finance, risk analysis, portfolio optimization, and fraud detection. In finance, we know that these three are more critical. Like risk analysis, you may be affected by certain risk which cannot be which is not predicted. So then we have retail industry, we have inventory, customer segmentation, market basket analysis, and so on. So we can add more solutions, and beside this we can add more depth to it. Like if we have more good data, we can also predict. If we even write the problem, it will also show the solution. So in the future we are planning to do this thing as well. Like right now we have just selecting the sector, but later we are going to also predict. If we are going if we have some problem, then even that problem can be further simplified solutions. So these are the output from our app, which will be shared through the proper channel to the hackathon team. So in the end, these are the contact details of the team. So you may contact us. You can also want to include something, because we know we all are in the learning phase, so we can add your even your suggestions to further simplify our project. So this is from our side. Thank you so much for the time. Thank you.